Today, I've got a branding checklist for you to get your business launched. So if you have a passion for organizing and are ready to transform it into a profitable business, you are in the right place. I'll put up the complete checklist at the end of this video so you can take a screenshot. First, let's look at colors. Note that I said colors, plural. You'll want a primary color for your business, but you'll also want a palette of complementary colors. Your chosen colors can set the mood and tone for your brand, evoking emotion and connecting with your audience. My primary color is orange. I think it's a happy and fun color, and the rest of my palette is pretty poppy too. Once you have a brand color palette, it will be a lot easier to create a website, a business card, and social media post. That is why it is first and number one on our list. Fonts also give your brand a cohesive look. I have several fonts that I use, but I try to stick with just a few for a presentation or Instagram post. Fonts infuse personality into your brand, whether you opt for something modern, classic, or playful. You just don't want to change them too often, or your marketing materials can look a little mismatched and untidy. It's also a simple and cost-effective way to make your brand look more cohesive. Next on the list is our custom logo. It should be unique, memorable, scalable, and reflective of your style. I actually put color and fonts higher on this list because today so many of us are marketing on social media. I think the logo is less visible and less valuable, but it's still a smart item to keep on your business card or website to give that first impression a little pop. Okay, so let's talk about that business card. It's become more popular to share our details with clients and other business owners on social media, but I do find myself still handing out cards, particularly at networking events or trade shows, any place where a lot of business owners are gathering. I made my business card a magnet for clients, which made it a little easier for them to find my number in case they lost it, in all the clutter, or just forgot to save it in their phone. Branded templates for your social media post ensure a cohesive and professional look. I love Canva software for this because you can create a post for Instagram and then resize that image for Facebook or Pinterest or for a blog post. Also, Canva can save your brand colors and fonts to make it a lot easier to find them. After I post a complete branding checklist, I'll show you how to get my Canva tutorials. Lastly, let's look at your website. Your website is your online home where potential clients can learn more about your services and how you can assist them. You'll want to make sure your site comes up in Google searches and also includes your unique selling proposition, which is like a statement about what makes your service unique and invaluable. Your site should have really easy navigation. You only need a couple of tabs like how to contact you and what services you offer. Don't forget to include a friendly photo of yourself and a call to action, which is what you want your potential customer to do next now that they have found you. All right, so here is your branding checklist. I'll leave this on the screen for a moment so you can take a screenshot. If you are struggling putting your branding together or need any help marketing your business, let me give you a quick tour of all of the resources available to you in my course, Selling Organization. Selling Organization has over 10 hours of video tutorials and more than 30 worksheets. Inside Selling Organization, there are 6 modules. In the foundation strategies, we're going to talk about business, startup, and certification. We are going to lay the foundation for your marketing plan. We're going to talk about sourcing products, and how to shop for your clients and when to shop for your clients, and all the different populations that you can serve as an organizer and what types of services they would be interested in. In the second module, we're going to go deep into the client process. We want to make sure that you are able to tackle any job of any size, right? Because as long as you're following the same method, it really doesn't matter as much if you're doing a closet, a kitchen, an office. There is really a professional approach to organizing projects, and you want to make sure that you have that down, and then you will be able to take on all kinds of jobs. In the third module, selling services, we're going to walk through everything you need to do from the first time a client reaches out to you all the way through any type of service that you're going to provide for them, including maintenance work or repeat business, and also virtual sessions. Something that I think is unique about selling organization that you might not get in other training programs is the business setup module, because I don't want the business stuff to get in the way. I want you to understand who you need to contact, what you need to do to get your business set up, including your payment processing and creating a budget. And that way it's just done, and it's not going to get in the way of you helping your customers. In the fifth module, we're going into those branding basics and the DIY Canva templates you need to create your own social media post, your logo, your business card, and getting started on your website. In module 6, we're going to go really deep into marketing your services, so you will not be at a loss as to how to find clients for your organizing business. I want to make sure that if you are going to put all this work and focus into launching a business, that you are going to be able to have enough clients to sustain that business so that you can help as many people as possible. Because I assure you, there are plenty of people who struggle with clutter and could use your help. There are over 30 worksheets in Selling Organization, as well as assignments at the end of each module to keep you on track. One of the features you'll have inside Selling Organization is the ability to post a comment so that you can ask questions if there's anything that you just need a little more help with. I'll put a link here to last week's video, which will help you better understand why you're not getting clients for your organizing business and what to do about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.